Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we initiate the processing of the black-off chair. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For the first step, you require 5 part A's, the wheels, part B, and part C, the piston. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require part D, the seat, part E, 4 part F, the screw, and the Allen key that comes with the product. Let's assemble. When aligning part D and part E, make sure the arrows correspond. For the next step, we'll attach the seat to the base. Thank you for watching processing of our black-off chair. Please go to the website www.lasa.africa to view more of our processing, more of our products. Thank you.